How to relieve your stress and depression at home. Depression is a severe condition when a person wants to live alone and doesn't want to interact with anybody. I can offer some general suggestions that may help alleviate depression. It's crucial to remember that depression is a complex condition, and what works for one person may not work for another. If you or someone you know is struggling with depression, seeking help from a mental health professional for a personalized treatment plan is essential. Here are some general strategies that can help you. Consult a mental health professional. First of all, this is the most critical step. A therapist, counselor, or psychiatrist can provide a proper diagnosis and develop a treatment plan tailored to your needs, including therapy, medication, or a combination of both. He must suggest a better treatment that you need. But in case you didn't know that you are facing such a complex condition, then you should first relax. It is not a disease, but it is a complex condition to live with relaxation. Medication. In some cases, medication prescribed by a healthcare professional can help manage depression symptoms. Antidepressants may be used as part of a comprehensive treatment plan. Medication can be a valuable tool in managing stress, especially when stress levels become overwhelming and begin to negatively impact daily life. Common medications prescribed for stress and anxiety include benzodiazepines, such as Xanax or Valium, which can provide rapid relief but may carry the risk of dependence as they help regulate mood by increasing serotonin levels in the brain. Therapy. Various forms of therapy, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, dialectical behavior therapy, DBT, and interpersonal therapy, IPT, can be effective in managing depression. These therapies help individuals identify and change negative thought patterns and behaviors. In some cases of depression, people misbehave with everyone, which may cause loneliness. Support system. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends and family members who can provide emotional support. Playing with children is good for your health, as kids' talk might be the cause of happiness. You must listen to music whatever you like and feel relaxed, or read books. Sharing your feelings and experiences with loved ones can be therapeutic. Self-care. Practicing self-care is crucial. This includes getting enough sleep, maintaining a healthy diet, taking care of yourself, and engaging in regular physical activity. Exercise, in particular, has been shown to have a positive impact on mood. Meet your friends and loved ones and spend time with them. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and yoga, can help individuals become more aware of their thoughts and feelings and develop strategies for managing them. Set realistic goals. Break tasks into smaller, manageable steps and set achievable goals. Celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Setting clear and achievable goals can be an effective strategy for relieving stress. When we establish goals, whether they are related to work, personal life, or self-care, we create a sense of purpose and direction. These goals provide a roadmap for our actions and help us prioritize tasks. As we work toward accomplishing these goals, we often experience a sense of accomplishment and reduced stress because we regain a sense of control over our lives. Limit stress. Identify and manage sources of stress in your life. Stress management techniques like deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and time management can be beneficial. Limiting stress is essential for maintaining both physical and mental well-being. Stress can have adverse effects on our health, so adopting stress management strategies is crucial. It's essential to maintain a healthy work-life balance, engage in regular physical activity, and prioritize self-care. By actively working to limit stress through these practices, individuals can improve their overall quality of life and reduce the negative impacts of chronic stress on their health and happiness. Avoid alcohol and substance abuse. Alcohol and drugs can worsen depression symptoms. It's essential to limit or avoid their use. Engage in activities, Engaging in activities that help reduce stress, such as meditation, yoga, or even a simple walk in nature, can be incredibly effective. These activities promote relaxation, mindfulness, and the release of endorphins, which are natural stress relievers. By dedicating time to these calming pursuits, individuals can lower their stress levels, clear their minds, and gain a fresh perspective on life's challenges, ultimately leading to improved mental and emotional well-being. Symptoms of depression. Learn more about depression and its symptoms. Understanding what you're going through can help you feel less alone and more in control. Depression symptoms can vary from person to person but often include persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and a loss of interest or pleasure in previously enjoyed activities. Other common signs include changes in appetite and sleep patterns, low energy, difficulty concentrating, feelings of worthlessness or guilt, and thoughts of self-harm or suicide. Physical symptoms like headaches, digestive issues, and unexplained aches and pains can also accompany depression. It's crucial to seek help if you or someone you know is experiencing these symptoms, as depression is a treatable condition, and early intervention can lead to better outcomes. Routine. Establishing a daily routine can provide stability and predictability, which can be comforting. Remember that it's okay to ask for help, and recovery from depression often takes time. What works best will vary from person to person. Depression is a treatable condition, and with the right support. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family.